We love summer holidays. They're the best. And this is our Top 10 Summer Holiday Countdown. Number 10, climbing trees. Look at me climb, Bingo. Great job, Bluey. We can see the whole beach up here. The water is so blue. Let's go for a swim. Great idea. Number 9, splashing around. When we go to the beach, we pretend we are mermaids, splashing on the shore. We even make Dad play. He's a funny-looking mermaid. We got an underwater palace. Number 8, boogie boards. I want to learn how to surf. Me too. To start with, we practice on our boogie boards. One day, I'll be able to stand up. Follow me, let's hit the water. This will be so cool. This way. The water looks so good. Let's go. Nearly there. Of course, sometimes I get tired of surfing. And I just have a little float on the board. So relaxing. Number 7, floating around. I love floating. Me too. Hold my hand, Bluey. Sisters stick together. Did you see all those fish? Here I go again. Wow! Number 5, playing at the park. Check this out, Bluey. I can do the monkey bars. Look at me. And I drop down. Let's go check out the worker. Great park. These are so fun. I'm riding a horse. Yeehaw, horses. At the beach, you can find lots of rocks to explore. There is all kinds of things to see. Like this driftwood. You might even see a little crab if you look really carefully. Number 3, beach exploring. When you explore the beach, you can find all sorts of cool things, like the seaweed. I'm a beach mermaid. Look at my lovely hair. We found a beach swing. Look at me up high. I can see right across the beach. Watch me jump down now. A stick to balance on. Check out all the cool stuff that washes up on the sand. Rocks, seaweed, and driftwood. Check out this jelly. Sometimes you see animals on the beach. Better not touch it. When we visit our grandma, we also have a rest. In her backyard, she has a swing and a tree house. Follow me, let's climb it. Be careful on the ladder. Look at me go. And even a little bike to ride. I ride up and down the path. Number 2, playing in the sand. I like to dig the biggest hole I can. I've used all these toys. When the hole is ready, I can jump in. Wow, that took a lot of digging. Better go cool off in the water. Number 1! Swimming to the boat. Dad and I swim together to the blue boat. The tide is out, so the boat is close. You can swim too. It's not too deep. Follow me.
But remember, you don't go swimming unless Mum or Dad is with you.
That's right, Dad. Nearly there. Only a little further. Once we get here, we can jump in for a swim. I've been doing my swimming lessons every weekend. Keep up. It's really important to be safe in the water. Here we are. We made it. Now for the best bit. 3, 2, 1, let's swim! Wow, all those fish! Here I go again. So that was our holiday. To see more, don't forget to like us, subscribe.